Okay, so this is Stephen Bradley. I'm just going to show you quickly my course. So I'm in my sandbox, which is up here. It's not really possible to see it, I think, within the screencast window right now. But it is here, and so this is my course. This is my announcements page, where I've got my banner here with an image, and then hello and welcome to our Foundation Practicum 1 class. Then if we go to the start here, then I have a brief welcome audio that I recorded with Audible. Let's see if I can play that. All right, so that's the welcome audio. I've put the syllabus for Foundation Practicum 1 here in the Start Here page. Also the course materials required, a prompt about textbooks, and also another intro that's a Panopto intro, which is here. So okay, well, you get the idea there. So let me go back to my content. So that's the start here. Then if we go into week 1, I've got my week 1 and kind of image here. I've got attached files which include the practicum assignments list for the practicum, the field education manual, which is one of the things I'm asking people to look through, and also the syllabus. Then there is the introduce yourself, which I'm actually going to put right below this, and the instructions for introduce yourself discussion. Then there's the ask the discussion, ask the instructor, and there's also an assignment place for process recordings, which explains what a process recording is. And I also put that in week 2, and I'll be sort of confirming with Maria about whether or not, to keep that going as an ongoing, how to keep that going as an ongoing assignment spot. But week 2 has a task list. So there's a task list in week 1 and a task list in week 2. Complete the readings and the videos and the COVID education materials, and that actually is down here. I then basically I cut and paste that whole page into an item here, and then the process recordings, which is also something we'll be talking about, is in here as well. So that is weeks 1 and 2. All right, talk with you soon.